Welcome to the Learn English Fast channel. Lesson 7. Talking about family. Including describing family members, their relationships, and sharing family-related information in everyday conversations. We will also include sample dialogues to help you practice real-life scenarios. Key vocabulary: family members, parents, mother, father, siblings, brother, sister, extended family, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousin, marital status, husband, wife, partner, children, son, daughter, in-laws, mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Descriptive adjectives: caring, supportive, strict, funny, outgoing, hardworking, loving. Useful phrases: I have a big, small family. I'm the youngest, oldest, middle child. I live with my parents, siblings. Scenario 1. Introducing your family.
Do you have a big family?
Not really. I have one younger sister and my parents. What about you?
I have a big family. I'm the oldest of 4 siblings, and we all live with our grandparents.
Wow, that sounds fun. Are you close with your siblings?
Yes, we're very close. We always help each other.
Review points. Practice describing the size and composition of your family. Scenario 2. Talking about a specific family member.
Tell me about your brother.
Sure. My brother's name is Daniel. He's 25 years old and works as a teacher. He's very hardworking and loves helping students.
That's great. Do you spend a lot of time together?
Yes, we play basketball together every weekend.
Review points. Use adjectives and activities to describe family members. Scenario 3. Sharing family traditions.
Does your family have any special traditions?
Yes. Every Sunday, we have a big family dinner. Everyone cooks a dish, and we eat together.
That sounds amazing. What's your favorite dish?
My mom's lasagna, it's the best. Do you have any family traditions?
Yes, we always go camping during summer holidays. It's a lot of fun.
Review points. Practice talking about activities and traditions that are important to your family. Scenario 4. Talking about family in a formal setting.
Can you tell me a bit about your family?
Of course. I come from a small family. I have one brother who is studying medicine, and my parents are both engineers. We're a very close-knit family.
That's nice. Do you live with your family?
Yes, we live together, which makes it easy to support each other.
Review points. Use formal language to describe your family and living situation. Practice exercises. 1. Repeat aloud. Listen to the sentences and say them out loud. Practice pronunciation. 2. Role play. Pretend you are meeting someone new. Practice with a friend or record yourself. 3. Create your own. Write your own formal and informal introductions. Use your real job or interests to make it personal. Thank you for learning with us. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more practical lessons to help you master English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing and enjoy your journey to fluency.